Hello friends, welcome to our website automationcommunity.com. In today's video, we are going to see a very interesting topic in the factory IO, that is sorting the boxes based on their weight. So let me show you the complete overview of the system I made in the factory IO. So first of all, you can see this is my main conveyor. From here, the boxes will come. Okay. Now, this is the weighting conveyor scale. It will measure the weight and tell our PLC that what is the weight of the box. Based on that value, we will sort the boxes in 3 different conveyors. The least weight box will be sorted to this left side conveyor. Slightly higher weight boxes will be sorted to this middle conveyor, and the heavier box will be sorted to this right side conveyor because this is my main conveyor, so it is right to my main conveyor. Now, so here 2 different machines I have used mainly. First is my weighting scale, okay, and another is my this sorting machine. So how it will work? So you can see there are basically 3 outputs in this sorting machine. Okay, if I turn on this forward only, then it will move the boxes in forward direction. If I want to move the box to the left side, okay, let me show you. So this is moving forward. If I want to sort left, I have to turn on 2 outputs, that is left and forward. So it will move the box to the left side. Similarly, if I turn on right and forward, it will move the box to the right side. So for moving the box in forward only, we have to turn on 1 output only, that is forward. But if you want to sort left or right, we have to turn on 2 outputs of this object. How we can get this? Okay, so let me show you that also. So this is, here you will see all the items. This is the pop-up wheel sorter. Okay, here I have renamed, so it is showing like this. Okay, first let me, so this is I renamed as forward, this one I renamed as left, and this I renamed as right. And by pressing V, I move it in up and down like this. So in this way, I got this object, okay, this one. Now let's talk about this conveyor scale. So here you can see this is the conveyor scale. Okay, so here also, here I haven't renamed anything. If minus, this is the minus one, okay, then conveyor will move in this side. If you energize this output +1, then conveyor will move in this side. And this is the 0 to 10 volt value we will get based on the weight. Okay, so here you can see I will be using conveyor scale positive to move box in this. So conveyor will move in this direction, and then I will use this value to measure the weight of box. It will give me 0 to 10 volts, but when I click and right click on it, here there is configuration. So I have selected 20 kg max configuration. What this means, if the weight is 20 kg, I will get 10 volts. So this means I have to scale my voltage into weight in the PLC ladder programming. So what is the logic? First of all, the box will come over here. So this conveyor should stop for a while to measure perfect weight. So for that, I have used one capacitive sensor over here. So it will sense if the box is coming over here. First, it will start this conveyor, and then it will stop so that we can measure weight, and again it will start so we can do further process. So in this way, based on the different weight, it will move some value in data register, that whether it should be moved to left, middle or right. So the value of the data register, this converts section, we will enable different outputs. Like if we have to sort forward based on the value of data register, we will compare. Okay, so based on that comparison value, we will enable the respective outputs as I discussed earlier. And these 3 conveyors are always on. Okay, so when the boxes will completely reach over here at this point, so what we have to do, we have to reset that data register so that we can sort another box. So to sense the exit of all the boxes, I have kept this another capacitive sensors. This is for left side, this is for middle side, and this is for right side. And you can see these are all removers, and there is one emitter. I have kept all this forcefully, so we don't have to enable this from our ladder logic. It will be working when the simulation is on. So I have forced, you can see by default it looks like this. When I click over here, it will be forced. So we don't have to turn it on from our ladder programming. Now here also in the configuration, base to emit I have kept none, and the part to emit I have selected small, medium and large box only. So this is my configuration, and the main thing is this. I have kept 13 seconds of difference between the two boxes because from here to the exit sensor it takes some time, and if I move another box before the resetting this data register, the system may malfunction. So I have kept this delay. Maximum time 14 seconds and minimum 13 seconds. So the time delay between the two boxes will be 13 seconds. So you can keep it as per your simulation. You can check how much time it takes from here to here. Okay. And I have kept these guides because my box were moving randomly in middle, and sometimes it does not sense this sensor. Okay. That's why I have put guide wherever there is sensor. So the sensor senses the box perfectly. So this is my complete setup, and let me show you my control panel. I have just kept start and the reset button. Besides that, I have used 3 displays to count the number of boxes sorted left, middle or right side. Here, after scaling, I have found that the small box weighs 8 kg, medium box weighs 10 kg, and the larger box weighs 15 kg. How I know this? So simply what you have to do, now what I will do, I will simply get this box over here. I will press V to move in vertical direction and place it over here. Now when I start this, you can see for the big box, it gives me value 7.5 voltages. Okay. For 1 volt, I am getting 2 kg. Okay. 10 volt, 20 kg. So now I will delete this. Here you can see 10 volts means 20 kg. It means 1 volts means 2 kg. So 7.5 volts means 15 kg. In this way, I check the weight of all 3 small, medium and large boxes. So friends, this video is going to be more lengthier. So I am splitting this video in 2 parts, and the rest of the things, that is the ladder programming, that I will show you in the next part of this video. Stay tuned. Meet you in the next video.